Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed the properties of multiplication of integer. Today we are going to solve the exercise 1.3, but I have taken the second question. Why? First question is very easy because their multiplication problems are there, so just write yourself. And second one, what is that question? Verify the following. They already given the equations, just verify. How to verify? Just solve LHS and RHS. If you get LHS equals to RHS, that means the equation is verified. So take the first one. So first take the LHS part. So LHS equals to 18 into bracket 7 plus minus 3. So solve this one. So first solve the bracket. In that bracket, so remove this bracket. So multiply plus into minus. Minus no, that is 18 into plus into minus 7 minus 3. So what is the answer? 18 into 7 minus 3, that is 4 no, 4. So 18 4 the 72. So the LHS value is 72. So now solve RHS. So what is the RHS? 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Solve this one. 18 sevens are how much? 126 plus bracket 18 into 3 54 plus into minus. What is the answer? Minus 54. So now solve this one. Plus into minus. Minus no, that is minus 126 minus 54. So solve this one. What will get the answer? 126 minus 54. 6 minus 4, 2. Here 2 is there. So we have to take 10 no. 12 minus 5, 7. 1 cancel, 0. So RHS value is 72. So LHS is 72. RH is also 72. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. If we get LHS equals to RHS, that means the equation is verified. Therefore it is verified. Okay, this is the way of solving this one. Okay, and second one is a homework. Just write yourself. So next, third one is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So how to solve this one? So first, this is very simple. First one, just find out the product of minus 1 into a. So a is any integer no. So how to solve that one? Minus 1 into a equals to what? First leave that sign. 1 into a, what is the answer? A no. Why? Because 1 is a multiplicative identity. When you multiply 1 to any integer, you get the same integer no. Next, here what is the sign? If there is no sign means plus sign is there. Minus into plus, minus no, that is minus a. Very simple, first one. Okay, next, second one. In that second one, what is the question? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. You should multiply one integer to minus 1. Answer is minus 22. Okay, so how to solve this one? First, a. What are they given? Determine the integer. You don't know that integer no. So take it as x. X into minus 1. They are already given the product value. This is the product value no. Minus 22. So how to solve this one? So first leave the sign. X into 1 equals to 22. 1 is a multiplicative identity no. That means if you multiply 1 to any integer, you get the same integer no. Here 22 is there. That means here also this is also 22 no. 22 into minus 1 equals to minus 22. And check the sign. Here plus sign, here minus. But first in the product minus is there. These two are the rules. Minus is there. And here one minus sign is there. Which one? This one no. That means first one must be plus. So answer is 22. Answer is 22. 22 into minus 1 equals to minus 22. What is that integer? First one is 22. So next, second one, product is 37. No, product is 37. You should multiply 1 into what is that integer? Take it as x. Okay. So now in that result, what is the sign? Plus. Plus, no. Here two rows are there, plus. And one of the integer is minus 1. So minus, no. In that 2, what is the one? First one. So minus is there, second one. Sorry, first one, second one. Minus is there. That means first integer must be minus, no. So this is minus. And what is that integer? Here 37 is there. Take it here also 37. Why? Because 1 is there. So minus 37 into minus 1 equals to 37, no? Isn't it? Why? 37 ones are 37. Minus into minus plus. Simple. Next, third. What is the answer? Product is 0. This is very easy. Why? Because x value, tell me directly. Here product is 0. That means if you multiply 0 to any integer, you get the same integer, you get the 0. Sorry, you get the 0 answer. So here minus 1 is there. Answer must be 0, no? That means 0 into minus 1 equals to 0. So what is that integer? 0. This is the way of finding the integer. So the next fourth question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. First, observe these two. Is there any common thing here? Minus 1 common is there? No. Minus 1 is common. And here 5 is there, here 1 is there. Observe it properly. Goes on decreasing, no. 5 to minus 1 goes on decreasing. So that is the way. So solve this one. How to solve this one? First, minus 1 into 5 equals to what? 1 into 5, 5. Minus 1 into plus, sorry, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, no, minus. Okay, next goes on decreasing the numbers. 5 next number is decreasing numbers. We can take 4, no. So what is the answer? Minus 4. We can write minus 4 as minus 5 plus 1, no. Why? Because here the numbers are in different sign. First you have to subtract 5 minus 1, 4. Bigger number sign is minus, no, that is minus 4. We can write it, no. Next goes on decreasing. 5, 4, next 3. Answer is minus 3. We can write it as minus 4 plus 1. We can write it, no. Next minus 1 into 2. What is the answer? Minus 2. Here also we can write it as, use that, minus 3 plus 1. Next minus 1 into 1. What do you get the answer? Minus 1, no. Minus 2 plus 1. So next minus 1 into, after that 1, 0, no, 0. What will get the answer? 0. That is minus 1 plus 1. You will get the same answer, 0, no. Next, after that 0, decreasing numbers, minus 1 into minus 1, no. You will get minus 1. What is the answer? Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 only. We can write it as 0 plus 1. You will get the answer, no. Minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. Up to this much. Starting from minus 1 into 5 equals to minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. This is the pattern, no. What will get the answer? This is the pattern. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So this is the pattern. Okay, next fifth question is, find the product using suitable properties. Okay, suitable properties. In that sub question, first one is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So observe it properly. Is there any common thing here? Observe it. Minus 48 is common, no. So take it outside first, that is minus 48. Take it outside into, you should write in a bracket remaining things. If you remove minus 48 outside, what will be the remaining number? 26, no? 26 plus sign is there. Here also, what is the remaining number? Minus 36, no? Minus 36. So solve this one. Minus 48 outside is there. So into plus into minus, plus into minus, minus no, that is 26 minus 36. So solve this one. Minus 48 as it is into, numbers are having different sign, so first we have to subtract 36 minus 26, 10, bigger number sign minus, so minus 10. So minus into minus, plus no, that is 48 into 10, by minus into minus, minus into minus, plus no, that means 48 into 10. 48 into 10 means here already 0 is there, directly multiply 48 into 1, 48 and 0. So answer is 480. Which property, tell me? Distributive property, no, this one. How to write this one? B into A plus A into C. Remove this one, A, B plus C. Here N2 is there. This is the property, no, distributive property. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Which property? Distributive property. So next Bth one is 8 into 53 into minus 125. So directly don't multiply directly 8 into 53. Why? Because this is easy. You know the multiplication. But how to make it easier? So here 5 is there, no, unit place. 5 into 8. 5 8s are how much? 40. That means you will get 0, no, in the last unit place 0. Here 5 is there. 5 into 8 you will get 40, no, like that. So separate it first. 53 separate into 8 into minus 125. Only multiply 5. 5 into 8, 40. So now multiply 53. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus. Minus, no. So answer will be in minus. 125 into 8, how much? 125 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 22. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the answer? 1000. 1000. So now it is easier, no, multiplication. Plus into minus, minus 53 into 1000. Just multiply for 1. 53 into 1, 53. Remaining 3 zeros as it is. So what is the answer? Minus 53,000. Okay. So next Cth one. 15 into minus 25. First write down 15 into minus 25 minus 4 into minus 10. Don't multiply directly 15 into 25. Just see here. Here 5 is there. Here 4 is there. 5 4s are 20. No, you will get the 0 in the unit place. So first multiply these two. So 15 as it is into minus plus, no. Next 25 4s are how much? 100. You should remember the tables. 100 into minus 10 as it is. Next multiply 100 into minus 10. 15 as it is. Plus into minus, minus 100 into 10 means 100 ones are 100. Remaining 1 0. Now multiply. It is easier, no, multiplication. 15 into 1000 plus into minus, minus 15 into 1, 15. Remaining 3 zeros. Answer is minus 50,000. Remaining questions are minimum 7 8 odd questions are there. I have solved 3 questions. Remaining 5 questions are homework problems. I hope you understand today's all the concepts. Thank you.